The quantum deep learning triuniverse is a candidate theory of everything, or TOE, though we should really call it an intelligent metaheuristic for the evolution of everything. This intelligent metaheuristic is a high-level framework of heuristic optimization algorithms running in a universe which is fundamentally a quantum deep learning computer. 3 is the fundamental number in the triunity of our computational universe, or triuniverse. We count using our fingers in base 10 or radix 10, and our computers calculate in binary radix 2. However, radix e, the base of the natural logarithm, approximately 2.718, is the real valued base with the lowest average radix economy. Rounding e up, 3 is the integer base with the lowest average radix economy. Integer computing in base 3 is most efficient for our quantum deep learning triuniverse. A quantum foundational substrate of reality hosts quantum information operations in radix 3 which through holographic projection map their computational outputs into our apparently physical triuniverse. That's the holographic principle. 3 then emerges in our physical triuniverse as 3 spatial dimensions, the 3 particle generations in the standard model, and the fundamental manifestations of 3-ness throughout physics and computer science. Could the 3 great theories of science be triunified through an intelligent metaheuristic? I propose that they can. The other fundamental characteristic of our quantum deep learning triuniverse is its foundational trefoil knot topology. Mathematically, the trefoil knot is the simplest knot. It is a knot wound around a torus or donut, and it is tricolorable. We label its 3 loops and sequence them from red to green to blue and back to red again, and so on, in an endless red-green-blue trefoil macrocycle. Fundamental information processing is driven around this trefoil macrocycle by psi-epistemic drive, the pervasive natural appetite for information selected for advantageous knowledge. In a psi-epistemic-driven information trophic web, information producer autotrophs thrive on the quantum information substrate. They're consumed by information heterotrophs, which are preyed upon by information predators, and ultimately by information apex predators, black holes. The information trophic web exists in a harsh environment where there is a deep hunger for knowledge. A zero-knowledge, impartial carrier conducts the information being processed in the trefoil macrocycle. That carrier is a quantum foundational trefoil knot vortex of zero intensity in a psi-epistemic field. That's the field which produces psi-epistemic drive. Knot vortices also emerge in the optics of our physical world. Another of Ed Whitton's rhymes of nature, perhaps? Individually, each loop is a reinforced feedback loop, an evolving processing loop, a learning cycle. Correlations are produced between components within each loop, some of which components were previously independent. Now consider the red, green, blue 3-loop trefoil macrocycle. Remember, the trefoil is a torus knot. Trace the 3 red, green, blue loops and you will see that the loops converge into the hole of the torus where they crosstalk before diverging, exchanging advantageous knowledge at the central crosstalk node, Psi. This advantageous knowledge is selected through quantum computational triple modular redundancy majority voting, resulting in artificially intelligent co-evolution of the macrocycle in its triunity. Now we consider each trefoil macrocycle having 3 hierarchies of layered simulated emergence. The substrate of mathematics has minimal computational overhead. Mathematics is de facto the native code of everything. Evolved algorithms, the laws of physics, enable computationally emergent physics to be simulated. Thereon, hierarchically more advanced algorithms self-script and regulate the evolution of life within the laws of physics and enable super-emergent life, biological and artificial intelligence, to be computationally super-simulated upon the physics simulation layer. This layered simulation supports the evolution of emergent complexity in the quantum deep learning triuniverse. Let's look under the hood at the evolutionary correlation systems operating in each of the layers. The substrate of mathematics has red, green, blue tricolored feedback loops, which are respectively algebra, red, algorithms, green, and geometry, blue. In mathematics, the trefoil macrocycle is algebraic algorithmic geometry, and its correlation system is a tensor neural knot network. Simulated emergent physics has corresponding red, green, blue tricolored feedback loops of quantum mechanics red, quantum deep learning green, and quantum geometrodynamics or shape dynamics blue. In physics, the trefoil macrocycle is one of quantum intelligent geometrodynamics, and its correlation system is Zurich's quantum Darwinism. Super-simulated, super-emergent life has corresponding red, green, blue tricolored loops of variation red, selection green, and heredity blue. In the evolution of life, the trefoil macrocycle is variational selective heredity, and its correlation ecosystem is Darwin's ecologically entangled bank. Finally, we see homochromatic information correspondence from mathematics through physics to life, which is mapped and conserved within each color through the emergent hierarchy of layered simulation. Remember, color is a non-optical information label. Algebra, quantum mechanics, and variation are homochromatic red. Stochastic variation and mutation is the algebra of life, and in emergent physics, algebra is the language of quantum mechanics. Algorithms, quantum deep learning, and selection are homochromatic green. Selection is the algorithm of life, and quantum deep learning is what naturally emerges from self-adapting mathematical algorithms. Geometry, quantum geometrodynamics, and heredity are homochromatic blue. Heredity is the geometry of life, illustrated by the double helix organization of DNA, and quantum geometrodynamics is what dynamically emerges from the simple geometry of Barbour's triangles and Mach's principle. The three-looped, tri-coloured and triple-layered quantum deep learning Triuniverse is, I propose, an elegant candidate intelligent metaheuristic for the evolution of everything.